In this video, I will show you how you can change the password on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just select the lock screen password. Then enter your current lock screen PIN or password, and after that, you will arrive on this page. Now as you can see, currently we have set a PIN. Now on this page, you can change the PIN to a new PIN, or you can change the password from a PIN to a password or a pattern. For example, I will change the PIN to a pattern, so I will select the pattern, and from here just draw your pattern. Then tap on continue. Now just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern, and select confirm. Now just tap on OK. Now if you go to the lock screen, you will notice that we have changed the password of the lock screen of our tablet, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.